Hey guys, I'm Alex Coty. I'm a cinematographer and director for the outdoor industry since almost 10 years now. And today I wanted to talk to you about the main camera setup I used in the past 2 or 3 years. I worked a lot on making this kit perfect for what I do. So filming outside, filming wild animals, filming in extreme conditions, can be in the winter, can be on the ocean in waves. So I think this setup is probably the best one for documentary work, and for solo operator, it's just hard to beat this one. So let's go. Here it is. It's the Sony FX6 with I powered it with V-mount batteries. I also use the iFootage monitor arms. I think it's not actually a monitor arm, but I use it that way. Very strong, thanks to my friend Drew from Nomad Collective, who showed me this piece of gear. Incredible, very strong. Also, I use the small HD monitor, the Cine 7. Very, very nice monitor. You have EL zone. It's a great way to expose your image very quickly. I use the Sancan shotgun. I think I talked about it in the last video, but it's the CS3E. Very nice to capture voice from far away. I also use the Sony UwP lav system. They are connected to the shoe on the top handle, and you can have 2 audio channels on this one. So very, very useful. And this is the lens I have right now on the camera. It's the Sigma 28-105 2.8, so very nice lens, versatile, and yeah, I found that you can do pretty much anything with this one. Very nice. You have a aperture ring, zoom in and out, so it's not internal zoom, but still great lens. And I have the tilt-a cage on it. Not too expensive, and a lot of cool mounting point on the camera with this one. This is the tripod that I use right now. It's the Miller CXV10, I think. Very nice head, so smooth, and the Solo Q tripod legs. I think I will make a video about this tripod pretty soon. It's amazing. The head is so fluid. It's crazy. Look at this. Like, now it's locked, but it's so good. And when you turn like this, it doesn't come back. Like, if you stop halfway, it stays right there. So this is probably one of the best tripod I've used so far from Miller. I liked it a lot. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. There's one thing that I did custom. It's a little bracket right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bracket my dad built for me. He's a machinist, and it allowed me to have the microphone further away from the handle and a little bit back also, so I have more space for my hand. Also, the kit is shorter because the bracket brings the microphone a little bit further back, so very, very nice. Like I said, this is probably the ultimate kit that I found for solo operator and adventurers, and I hope you learned a few things today. And if you liked it, please share it, hit the like button and hit the follow button, and I'll see you in the next one.